What's up everybody, it's James Nash and welcome back to our Options Trading Masterclass Series. We're about to take things to the next level. In our previous videos we covered the foundational concepts of options trading, calls, puts, Greeks and basic strategies, but today, we're diving into the deep end with video 3.5 Advanced Options Strategies. Get ready to unlock the power of spreads, straddles, iron condors, and butterflies. These sophisticated strategies can help you manage risk, enhance returns, and profit from various market conditions. Let's get started. Alright, first up, let's break down the bull call spread. This strategy is perfect when you're bullish on a stock, but you want to limit your risk and potentially reduce your upfront cost. Here's how it works. You simultaneously buy call options at a specific strike price and sell the same number of call options at a higher strike price. Both options will have the same expiration date. Think of it like this. You're creating a range where you believe the stock price will land by the time your options expire. The difference between your buy and sell prices creates a spread, and that spread represents your maximum profit potential. Now, the beauty of the bull call spread is that by selling those higher strike calls, you're essentially offsetting some of the cost of buying the lower strike calls. This can help reduce your overall risk and make the trade more capital efficient. However, it's important to remember that your profit is capped. If the stock price skyrockets past your upper strike, you won't fully participate in those gains. So when's the best time to use a bull call spread? It's ideal when you're moderately bullish on a stock and believe it will experience a steady increase in price, but you're not expecting any massive, explosive moves. Now let's flip the script and talk about the bear put spread. As you might have guessed, this strategy is designed to capitalize on a potential market decline, but with controlled risk. With a bear put spread, you'll simultaneously buy put options at a specific strike price and sell the same number of put options at a lower strike price, all with the same expiration date. Essentially, you're creating a bearish range for the underlying stock, and your profit potential is limited to the spread between your buy and sell prices. Just like the bull call spread, selling those lower strike puts helps offset the cost of buying the higher strike puts, potentially reducing your upfront cost and risk. The bear put spread is your go-to strategy when you're cautiously bearish on a stock. You believe the price will drop, but you're not expecting a complete freefall. Remember, with options trading, managing risk is key. The bear put spread allows you to participate in potential market downturns while defining your maximum loss upfront. Chapter 3. Straddles and Strangles. Playing for volatility. Now, let's talk about volatility plays. Sometimes, you're not necessarily concerned with the direction of a stock's price movement, but rather the magnitude of the move. That's where straddles and strangles come in. A straddle involves buying both a call option and a put option with the same strike price and expiration date. You're essentially betting that the stock will experience a significant price swing, regardless of whether it goes up or down. Think of it this way, you're setting up a fence on both sides of the stock price. The wider the price moves in either direction, the more profit you stand to make. A strangle is very similar, but instead of buying calls and puts at the same strike price, you'll buy them at different strike prices. The call will have a higher strike price than the put. Strangles are typically cheaper to implement than straddles because you're buying options that are further out of the money. However, the stock needs to move more significantly for you to profit. Both straddles and strangles are great strategies when you anticipate increased volatility, like around earnings announcements or major news events. Chapter 4. Iron Condors, the Art of Defined Risk. Alright, now let's move on to one of my personal favorites, the Iron Condor. This is a neutral option strategy that allows you to profit from a stock trading within a specific range, and it offers limited risk and limited reward. Now the Iron Condor might sound intimidating, but it's actually quite simple. You're essentially combining a bull put spread and a bear call spread with the same expiration date. This creates a sweet spot where you want the stock price to stay. As long as the price remains within that range, you can potentially profit from the net premium received when selling the options. But here's the key. Your profit potential is capped, and so is your maximum loss. This makes the Iron Condor a great strategy for traders who are comfortable with defined risk and are looking for consistent income-generating opportunities. However, it's crucial to remember that timing is everything with Iron Condors. You want to implement this strategy when volatility is low and you expect the stock to trade within a tight range. Chapter 5, Butterflies, Soaring Through Range-Bound Markets. Finally, let's wrap things up with the butterfly spread. This is another neutral options strategy that's perfect for when you expect the underlying stock to experience low volatility. With a butterfly spread, you're simultaneously buying and selling options at 3 different strike prices, all with the same expiration date. The key here is that the middle strike price is equidistant from the higher and lower strike prices. Think of it like this: you're creating a narrow profit zone around the middle strike price. If the stock price stays within this zone, you stand to make the maximum profit. Now, there are different variations of the butterfly spread, including the long butterfly and the short butterfly. The long butterfly is used when you expect low volatility and the stock price to stay relatively flat. The short butterfly, on the other hand, is used when you expect a slight increase in volatility, but still believe the stock price will remain within a defined range. Butterflies can be a bit more complex than some of the other strategies we've discussed, but they offer a unique risk-reward profile that can be incredibly valuable in the right market conditions. That was a lot to cover, but hopefully, you now have a solid understanding of some of the most powerful advanced option strategies out there. Remember, knowledge is power in the world of trading, and the more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to navigate different market conditions and achieve your financial goals. Stay tuned for the next video in our Masterclass series, where we'll dive even deeper into the world of options trading, exploring topics like risk management, trade adjustments, and advanced analytical techniques. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. And as always, happy trading.